Hello class, this is Miss Stein and this is lesson 3 of chapter 1. Remember the focus for this chapter is what strategies can I use to add and subtract. We've talked about commutative property, which is our turnaround facts. We've talked about identity property, which is adding 0. We just talked about last lesson counting on using a number line, and this lesson we're going to talk about making a 10. Now what you reviewed, or what the review song was about, was the numbers that make an exact 10. Now this strategy is not exactly that, but you are using those facts to help you with this. So the first thing is I'm going to write a number sentence. One addend is going to be 8, the other one is 4, and we need to find the sum. So we have 8 plus 4 equals something. Now I'm going to make a 10 with this and actually pull it apart. The first thing you're going to need to do, and you can just do this with a piece of paper, is make your own 10 frame. Now this does not, wow, that's difficult. This does not need to be perfect. You just need to get the idea. So you would just make sure that there are 10 little slots, and what you actually need to do is make 2 of them. I'm going to put the camera down for a second and try to do this. Okay. Again, does not have to be perfect, just has to have 10 slots in it. Okay, and then you're going to use counters or beans or whatever you have that can help you with this. I am going to use some rocks that I've collected. This is going to be loud, I'm sorry. All right, rocks, check. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the first addend, which is 8, and I'm going to fill my top number frame. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I'm going to fill my bottom one. My second addend is 4. So I'm going to add in 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And now what I'm going to do is the bottom frame, the second addend, the smaller one actually, I'm going to take some rocks from this one and try to fill the upper one. So I'm going to pull this up here. And then now I have 10 and 2. 10 and 2 would be 12. So it's kind of like I just pulled apart this 4, made this a 10, and then had the leftovers over here. All right, so let's try that again with a different set of numbers. So now I'm going to look at the number sentence 5 plus, that's not a 5. 5 plus 8. Yeah. Let's make it 9. All right, so I'm going to fill my top frame with my first addend, which is 5. And I'm going to fill my second one, which is 9. All right, now before I took rocks from my bottom atom and added them up to the top. But since this is larger and I have to take less to fill this, and with the commutative property, I can switch them if I want. I'm going to take a rock from the top frame from the 5 one and add it down to the bottom one to make a 10. So now that I've pulled apart that 5, given one of them to the 10, now I have 10 and 4. So the answer to 5 plus 9 is 14. All right, so now you're going to take the quizzes over this lesson. The 10 frame and the counters, whatever you used, you may use that during your quiz, and I encourage you to use it during your quiz. Remember, it is not cheating to use tools. All right, so please take the quiz, and then we will talk more about this tomorrow. All right, thank you. Bye.